Alright, here's the third video. So you see in this visualizer app, in this drawer, we have a list of SID tunes. Question is, where do these SID tunes come from? So to show you that, I'm going to go home. And we have this new to version 1.06 buckets utility. And it has a bunch of buckets that you can choose, but I've chosen the favorites bucket. I'm just going to hit this trash can here to empty that bucket. And now I will go over to, well, here I am on my SD2IEC in a music directory. So I'm going to hit add to bucket on this tune. So it's going to put that tune in there. Maybe I'll do the same for this one. Now what I'll do is I'll say go music. That takes me over to my music directory on my CMD hard drive. So this is a different device, different partition. And I can pick, say, this file, put it in the bucket. Maybe I can go into Ben Daglish and pick this file, put it in the bucket, and pick this one, put it in the bucket. Okay, so I can go around my whole file system, different directories, different partitions, different devices, putting them all into my favorites bucket. And now, when I go back to the visualizer application, so we see this original list of files here, but I can say now, reload my favorites, and all of a sudden, this list of files is just what I just added into my favorites bucket after I first cleared it out. So we can double click these to open these files. Okay. And what's really cool, you know, is that these files are coming from, whoops, let's double click this file here. So what's really cool is that these files are actually being loaded off of totally different places in the file system. So that is the buckets utility and the favorites list, and it is new in 1.06. Thanks for watching.